This is October 2010, the 21st at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, United States. What we have here is the Dow Jones Industrial Average indicator, or code rather, is DGI 30. And what we're looking at here is we have a breakout above this rolling pivot here, and it goes up here to test resistance 1 and breaks above it, comes back down and stays above the pivot, goes back up and hits resistance 1, and it gets rejected there, and then it gets support again at the pivot, and we're somewhere in between now. If you look down here, I have an indicator down at the bottom, and you have to look very closely. You might not be able to see what I'm seeing on the video, but what we're looking at is the green line crosses the yellow line, which sometimes highlights pretty big moves. So looking back, we can see there's a few of them that worked out successfully, and had you just traded that line, most of them would have been profitable except for that one. And actually, I think you could have even got out with a break even there. Anyway, what I saw here is a blue dot that occurred. The blue dots are buy signals, and the pink dots on top are sell signals. So what I saw here was a blue dot, and of course you see all kinds of blue dots, but here you have a blue dot which gets confirmed down here with the indicator in the first window with a blue bar. Now notice there's no pink bars down here, which would mean a sell signal. So basically what we have here is the blue dot confirms the blue bar. I can't talk right now. Blue bar, and then we have further confirmation right here with the green line crossing the yellow line. All of these things adding up is very important here, and then it also crosses the pivot. So that turns out to make a pretty good gain if you were to trade that. Use the blue dot, confirm it with the blue bar, and then you're in the big game here. And then you have further confirmation with the green line crossing the yellow line, and then all is very good here. And that's the big thing I'm watching here, and I'm waiting for the Dow to either decide to drop back through the pivot or to go through the resistance here and find another resistance, which would be R2, which is off the chart right now. Here's R2 right here, but it is off the chart right now because this is a rolling pivot indicator. Right now, the current price in live market is 11,126. Just as I spoke, 27. And the reason I'm getting data still on the Dow Jones is because this is the DGI 30, which will give you future prices too if you use the right broker. Anyway, I got more charts over at my blog. You can find the link in the video description and see other charts and market analysis, fundamental analysis, and market news. Thank you.